Watermarks are a great way to stop people from stealing your content or the results of your hard work. So thankfully, you can add them to more than just an art or even your word in your Microsoft Excel, and we will show you how in this video tutorial. So to start, with your spreadsheet open in the Microsoft Excel, go to the Insert tab and click on the Header and Footer option under the Text section. Now on the new section that appears that says Header and Footer, you have to click on it and select the Picture option from the ribbon. Then on the window, select Browse and insert your picture into the Excel spreadsheet. Now immediately after inserting the picture, you will see that the text will look like this, and this will appear in the header segment without the image itself. So in order to reveal the picture, you have to click outside of the header segments, and your inserted image will appear as the background, serving as a watermark to your file. But if you want to format your image, in the Header Footer option, choose Format Picture, and it will allow you to set all sorts of options such as contrast, brightness, and more. So that's how you can add a watermark in your spreadsheet in the Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.